In this short video, I'm going to show network marketers and MLM business owners a place where they can actually find unlimited leads to join their business. So the platform that I'm going to show you helps network marketers to build their business, number one. Number two, it can help you to connect with real people who are looking for business opportunities. You can get quality MLM leads every day for free. Stop bothering family and friends who doesn't want to join a business. I'm going to show you this platform that I've been using to connect with leaders in my country and other different parts of the world. You can also target to you can also have advertise to a target audience. So this is a very great platform, and you can actually promote your website on the platform as well. So real quick, let me show you how it works. So right now I'm actually on the platform. As you can see that I've selected Zimbabwe, and if you scroll down here, it's going to show you all the people that are in Zimbabwe looking for opportunities. So let me just go back up again, and as you can see, the first person that is on the list right there is interested. As you can see, is interested in beauty products. So if you have a beauty product offer, you can actually connect with a member. And if you're into the second person is interested in network marketing, and you can actually connect with a member. Okay, so their names are there and their cities and the countries that they are part of. Okay, and yes, someone is interested in skincare, health. So these are all leads that you can actually connect, and all these people, most of them, they are leaders in MLM. So as you can see that in the country, there's actually about 382 people that we found. Okay, that's actually Zimbabwe. This person is interested in real estate, okay, online business, network marketing. Okay, so these are people that you can actually connect with. But let's say that I need to look for a person in another country. Okay, let me just go to country, and if you need to select by region, and this time around I need to select. So they are all these countries. Okay, all these different countries. You can actually click there. You'll be able to connect with people that are in network marketing that you can actually talk to, okay, that are interested in becoming part of your business. So let me just select UK here. Let me just select UK. Okay, where is UK? Okay, let me go to UK. So real quick, right there, I've actually selected United Kingdom. So as you can see that within the United Kingdom, the region leads, okay, Birmingham and other places. Okay, this person is interested in network marketing. These two people are interested in network marketing. As you can see here, it says interest, shopping, and you can actually connect with the member and then talk to them. Hey, I'm actually expanding my business in your region. I've seen that you are part of a great platform. Would you love to be part of us as we're actually starting out? Okay, so as you can see, these are all the people that are actually, the list is endless. So if we go on UK, as you can see, it is over 9,997 people that lives there. Okay, so this is actually great. So let me just select another region. Okay, this time around, let me go to South Africa. Right now I've selected South Africa. Okay, and as you can see that this first person is actually interested in network marketing, and you can just click on connect and you'll be able to contact the person. And this person is actually interested in all good companies. Okay, so you can actually, hey, I've seen that you're actually interested in all good companies. I've been part of this amazing company, and you can actually take part, and you can see within the region as well. So if I can scroll down, these are all people that you can actually talk to. Okay, this person is interested in multi-level marketing, health and beauty products. This person is interested in long reach, so you can actually connect with them. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see that in South Africa there is about 10,923 members there. So if you want to know what this platform is, okay, if you want to know what this platform is that I use to build my team, find the link in the description. If you're watching this video from YouTube, find the link in the description. It will take you to the platform so that you can create a free account. Okay, and if you are watching this from another platform, find the link on the below. Okay, below this video, you'll be able to create a free account and start connecting with MLM leaders. Bye for now.